Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the first time I've started a video in the car in a long time. But got off of work, heading to pick up my youngest daughter, and then we have something to go pick up. This is another way that we source sometimes. It's been a really long time since we sourced this way. We ended up winning an auction from a local auction house. Well, something they do sometimes here is they will actually have you pick up the item from the house where they're sold it from. So you buy it online, then you go pick it up. Good thing with this auction is it's on my way home from our daycare. So I can stop there, get it, and it's not out of my way. You're probably asking yourself, what did I buy? I'll show you that after we pick it up. I'll try to film a little bit of footage while we get there to pick up this item, or items, but I'm not sure how much I can film, so I'll try to get a little bit of footage for you. So let's get driving. Let's go pick up the kid, and let's get to these items. Also guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button so you don't miss any fun videos we put out. We normally try to put out a video a week, sometimes just depending on our schedule. That doesn't happen, but we try our best. We really like to have fun with this channel. We really like to help educate you guys when you guys are outsourcing, and maybe you guys will find something that we found that may help you make some money online and maybe help take your family on vacation. So let's get back to driving. So guys, we are back from picking up our auction items, and I'm going to show you what we found. This will not be a long video at all. I wasn't able to get any really footage at the pickup because there was nothing to film. Went inside the house, went inside the entryway, they got your name, and actually they came right up because you had to sign up for time slots to pick up your items. So let's show you what we found, and I'll tell you what I expect to make. So we picked up a bunch of shoe and purse dust covers. I know, this doesn't sound really interesting, but these things do sell. We picked up a bunch here on this table, and we also got this Dooney and Burke one. Well, I'm not even sure how you say it. So this one's a pretty big bag. We also got this Cole Haan bag here. This one's kind of more of like a leatherish one. Tons of Prada ones here. These are more for shoes. I think there's 5 total here for these ones. We got this one. Not even sure exactly 100% sure what this brand is, but we'll look it up. These two here are kind of interesting. There's no names on these ones, and they're really nice. I think they're made in Italy, so we're going to do some research on those to see what those we're going to do. Same thing here with these. These are made in Italy also, and these are actually Johnson and Murphy here. I just realized that the names was on them. And then we also have the Sergio Rossi one. Also, the other two we got here are Prada also, and these are for a larger bag. I really think I messed up at this auction though, because when I went to go pick up our item, everybody else was picking up their stuff, and once I saw what some of these items went for, they went dirt cheap. And I'm really kicking myself now that I haven't been on more items, because I was expecting them to go pretty high, and I missed the end of the auction. An old Navy chest went for $6. That could have been an easy $30–40 flip on Facebook Marketplace. Wouldn't even want to ship it. But all of these shoe dust covers and purse dust covers we picked up for a grand total of $3 plus 15%, which came to $3.46 for all these. The Prada ones should go for about $9 each. The shoe ones, the bigger ones should probably go for about $14 to $15. So right there, all I need to do is sell one of those and I make my money back. The other ones, I'm not 100% sure what those go for, only because when the auction was up, I couldn't look them up because I couldn't see the names on them. The only ones I could see were the Prada ones. So super happy to get those. So guys, if you are looking for another way to source, check out some online auctions that are near you. Some of them will ship to you, most of them will ship to you, and you might find some that are local to you that you could save some money because you won't have to have it shipped. And you can find some super good deals that you can sell either on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or whatever site you guys sell on. So like I mentioned, this one's not going to be a long video, but I wanted to show you what we found. And we usually don't do auction hauls because we don't usually do them that often. But we might start looking more often because I think we could find some great deals more often. That's just all seeing the same thing I just said. But until next time, guys, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and like and share the video because you do not want to miss out on some of the videos we do have coming up. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.